Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Instagram notifications and only get message reminders from people you actually follow, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable message reminders exclusively from profiles you follow on Instagram. This is a great way to keep your inbox manageable and avoid unnecessary distractions. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu icon. Tap on it and a list of options will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize your Instagram experience, including all your notification preferences. Scroll down until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. Now, you'll see a variety of notification types that you can manage. Tap on Messages. This will open up a new menu dedicated to all your message-related notifications. Here, look for the section labeled Message Reminders. This is the feature that controls when Instagram reminds you about unread or new messages. To ensure you only get reminders from people you follow, select the option that says From Profiles I Follow. Once you tap this, Instagram will only send you message reminders when someone you follow sends you a message, keeping your notifications relevant and clutter-free. That's it! With just a few taps, you've now set up Instagram to send you message reminders only from people you care about. This simple tweak can make a big difference in how you manage your time and attention on social media. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.